Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by stripping coatings and corrosion to bare metal. Cleanliness controls weld quality and penetration. Once done, clamp and square the pieces so you can tack weld at intervals. This stabilizes alignment and prevents warpage. Make short, 1/2 to 1 second tacks with the chosen electrode or MIG wire. Ensure correct polarity and amperage for the material thickness. You're minimizing distortion now, so the long runs later lie flat and fuse properly. You proceed with the middle welds using a sequence that balances heat, weld opposite tack points, then move along the joint. Make short, overlapping passes rather than one long bead. This controls warpage and ensures consistent fusion. Pause to allow the joint to cool to black before peening or adding the next pass, because overheating weakens the HAZ. Make adjustments to travel speed and amperage, so the bead profile is flat and root penetration is visible without burn. You complete the job by dressing the welds to the required contour while retaining throat for strength. A smooth finish reduces stress risers. Then inspect visually and with dye penetrant to catch porosity, cracks, or lack of fusion. If you find defects, grind back to bright, solid metal and reweld. Do not just cover them. One key troubleshooting tip: if warpage or repeated cracking occurs, reduce heat input, increase tack frequency, and use backstep welding to redistribute stresses.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.